Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk, and today I'm going to be taking a look at whether or not you can claim if you contracted COVID-19 coronavirus due to your employer not providing you with a mask or gloves when carrying out your workplace duties. Now, if you have any questions, we have a free phone helpline where you can talk to one of our team on a no obligation basis, where they'll aim to get you the help that you need if you've been the victim of negligence from your employer, which has resulted in you contracting COVID-19 coronavirus. Call us now on 0800 652 7676, where we'll talk through your case with you in order to help you establish what your options are. Now, employers have a duty of care to their employees, where they must put in place any reasonable steps and measures to help ensure their health and safety. Now, in light of the current COVID-19 coronavirus outbreak, it's reasonable to assume that key workers, now this includes couriers and those working for delivery companies, supermarket workers, and those in pharmacies, as well as carers, to name just a few. Now, these people in essential roles should be provided with any necessary equipment to keep them safe, particularly if they're dealing with members of the public. Now, if an employer fails to do this, and this directly results in an employee contracting COVID-19 coronavirus, then we believe that the negligence of the employer may mean that the employee could have a claim. Now, keep any information provided by your employer. Now, a lot of companies have sent emails out including guidelines to reassure their employees that they have taken necessary steps in order to ensure their safety. Now, if they have in fact failed to take reasonable steps to ensure the safety of their employees, we believe it's vital that employers do all they can to ensure the safety of their staff, and if they aren't following their own health and safety guidelines, and members of their staff become ill due to contracting COVID-19 coronavirus, then these members of staff may be entitled to compensation. Now, because this is such a recent event, at present there aren't any strict black and white anchors to help define whether or not someone may have a claim, and it's much more likely to be judged on a case-by-case scenario at present, which is why if you have contracted coronavirus and you believe it was as a direct result of poor health and safety in your workplace, we'll be more than happy to speak to you to help advise you on what we believe your options are. Simply call our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 and we'll do all we can to assist you. Now, have you been affected by the COVID-19 outbreak? If so, let us know in the comments below. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.